Are we monitored and controlled by aliens? Amism energy chiseling theory and why it's beating around the bushes of energy, again and again. Amism ideology is an ideological development in modern political sciences. The reason behind its creation is for seeking much more better standards and perfections in human political life patterns. For a much more longer time frames, this political science discipline is facing ideological shortages, or certain ideologies can't tackle the problem emerging in modern times. This is diverting the worldly environment into World War III-like panic situations. Russian-Ukraine war, Taiwan-China disputes, the nuclear threat between NATO-Russian blocs, mutating pandemics motivated to draft this type of ideas. This is actually a preface for what written from a past point of time and still continuing. Energies are the core for everything. From active thinking to what sustains life, energy can't be avoided. That means if any discipline lacks energy refinement theories, that's a major loss. I don't know why in political science, experts are not found to be defining energy. They define so-called power politics, but maybe because of this divide and rule concepts, they say energies must be concentrated to basic sciences. Energies are the core, especially when it comes to human behaviors, political, economical, cultural characteristics. That means not only arts or sciences but the entire universe, we can't define without it. Or going much more depth, from biases to public policies, this energy matters. A debate was going on in between the people of developed nations and third world nations. Both of them were having deliberations about how these developmental indices are having huge differences when comparing the two national arrangements. The core answer was focused on energy efficient alignments. Are we monitored and controlled by aliens? Why amism gives importance to it. These alien generation theories have been circulating all over the web spaces for a long time, and recently it lost its importance and people gradually began to forget it. But during this time, I remember someone was saying that modern democracies are in danger if alien theories get proved right. A possible interactive forces on democratic setups can happen, he laughed and said to me. He added he is afraid of bribery, cronyism, nepotism, slushfund, gerrymandering, filibuster, cloud pivot strategy, buck passing, bandwagoning and starve the beast strategies initiated by the alien forces. All democracies can be in danger. Think about a generation Z of aliens hacking the energy world of humans. All humans are energy radiating. Max Planck's energy equation is equal to Planck's constant multiplying with frequency of radiation shows it. That means telepathy will not be a limited field for the quantum level hacking aliens. That means going into the human inside outside is about controlling the human active democracies. Energy chiseling theory for amism. Actually, this theory is drafted from the fear of this alien by ordinary people. Ordinary people say they are afraid whether their actions can go wrong by an influence above their intellect. This theory says that human actions are rooted in energy influences. This is not a repetition of previous theories. Inside-outside energy influences, outside solar system energy influences must be chiseled and refined by intellectuals, by frequently drafting and influencing goals of individual social greatness.